Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change or update the default uploads for YouTube Studio on your YouTube account on a Mac. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio. We have a shortcut on the toolbar, or we can physically search and type and click. Go to YouTube Studio, make sure you're signed into the account, and then go to the left hand side bar, go to settings, go to upload defaults, and now once we change the basic information, the advanced settings, every time we upload a video, everything will be filled in for us. If I was to upload 50 videos of, say, programming in C++ tutorials, I would use this, and then it would save time every time I upload a video. So I'll just say for the video title, copy the title, paste that in the description, maybe a hashtag computer science videos, video, make it private for the moment, some tags, take the hashtag for computer science videos and paste that there, advanced settings, license, category, language, subtitles, comments. So we can change that if required to, and now we can save. And now go to create, upload a video, take the video on the desktop, hold and drag and drop the file you wish to upload. And now we have everything automatically filled in: title, description, tags. Why is that? That is because we already filled that in on the upload default. So now we don't have to do this for the next 50 videos if we were to create a video series. Quit Safari. Yes, leave the page. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.